Hi everyone. So in this video, we're going to create a donut chart, which will show a split of electric vehicle type. But before we do that, I want to just remove our county set from our filters, because it's currently, because we duplicated our previous chart, we forgot to remove it. So I'll just remove it here. And now it's showing all our counties. And let's just add a new sheet. And I'm just going to rename this vehicle type donut. Now, unlike Power BI, we don't actually have a donut option. We only have a pie chart option in our drop downs for our chart types. So we're going to have to create two pie charts and make our own donut based on that. So to do that, we need to create a calculated field. And we'll just type in 0, and I'll just name the calculated field 0. And we can apply this. Okay, and then to add our pie chart, our first pie chart, we'll just click on electric vehicle type and DOL vehicle ID while holding control. And at the top right, show me, we can just select pie. And then it will automatically create a pie chart for us. Okay, so I'll just remove this. And then what we want to do is just drag 0 into rows. And that's just going to bring the pie into the middle. And if while holding control, we just drag this across, we can see now we have two pie charts, and we can use these to create a donut chart. So to do that, I'm just going to expand this to make it a bit bigger. Now it's currently summing our vehicle ID. We actually don't want to do this. So let's just right click it, and we'll change it from measure sum to count distinct for both. Now it hasn't changed the view, but it might. Okay, and then now we have our two pie charts under our marks card. Our first 0 is our top pie chart and our second one is our bottom. Okay, and then to create our donut chart, we just need to right click. We'll right click on our second sum 0 in rows and make it a dual axis, which is going to bring our bottom pie on top of our top one. Okay, and then under marks, under our first sum 0, we'll leave it as is. But for our second one, let's change it to a circle so that it's a circle instead of a pie. And then under size, we can actually make it smaller. And then we're going to need to remove all of these fields. Okay. And now what we'll do is, so we keep our pie as the way it was, but we want to make it slightly bigger. So under size, I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. And then we could actually make our circle a bit bigger now as well. Okay, and then we want to match the color, the background color. So under color, we'll just set it as white. So ensure you're just into our second sum 0 here. And then we can hide our headers here. We don't want to see these. Okay, and then, yeah, that's it for the donut. Our top right shows our legend. We don't need to see our card here. And yeah, and we're going to format all of this and add data labels, but we'll do it whenever we're putting our dashboard together. But before we put our dashboard together, I just want to add our parameter filter into our other sheets. So let's just add it into filters here, and we click on true, and we'll apply that. And then now it's currently let's just show our parameter here at the bottom left, and then we'll see which vehicle we're displaying, Tesla. So yeah, we know Tesla's all electric vehicles only. So yeah, and then we can click on any, and Subaru, we have a split. And then we want to apply this parameter to all our worksheets. So yeah, we're selected Subaru, so it's harder to see the orange. We don't want to apply our parameter filter here, otherwise it's going to only display the one make. But we can apply it to our counties as well. let's just right click the parameter filter, apply to worksheets, and then we can just select what worksheets we want to apply it to, which is going to be all except for make and model. And then it automatically shows up in our filters here. Okay, so in the next video we can start putting all our sheets together in a dashboard. So I'll see you there.